Welcome to our detailed comparison of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, two of the most powerful smartphones on the market today. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or a Samsung loyalist, these two flagship devices pack incredible features that make the choice between them tougher than ever. In this video, we'll dive deep into the design, performance, camera, battery life, and ecosystem of both phones to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max carries forward Apple's signature minimalistic design with precision-engineered flat edges and aerospace-grade materials. It's available in new color options and still boasts ceramic shield protection, which Apple claims is one of the toughest smartphone screens in the industry. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is no slouch in the design department either. Samsung continues with its curved edge display, offering a more immersive look. The S25 Ultra uses Gorilla Glass Victus 3 for protection and a slightly more futuristic aesthetic, with narrower bezels and a lighter, more ergonomic build despite its large size. When it comes to in-hand feel, the choice comes down to personal preference. Sleek and flat with the iPhone or curved and slightly more ergonomic with the Samsung. Both feel premium, but one may suit your aesthetic more. Both phones have some of the best displays in the business. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology, offering smooth 120Hz refresh rates. The display also has an impressive peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it one of the brightest smartphone displays, perfect for outdoor use or HDR content. The Samsung S25 Ultra has a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X, HDR10+, 2600 nits peak display. With a 3200 by 1440 resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, it's incredibly sharp and smooth. Samsung leads in color accuracy and vibrancy, making the Ultra's display ideal for media consumption, gaming, and creative work. Both displays are stunning, but the S25 Ultra edges ahead in terms of resolution and vibrancy, while the iPhone shines in brightness and color consistency. Under the hood, both of these devices are powerhouses. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the A18 Bionic Pro chip, which Apple claims is 20% faster than its predecessor in both CPU and GPU performance. This makes it ideal for demanding apps, gaming, and AI-based tasks like photo editing or voice recognition. It's optimized for iOS 18, ensuring smooth performance with Apple's seamless hardware-software integration. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, or Exynos in some regions, delivering lightning-fast performance, especially for multitasking and gaming. Samsung has optimized this chip for improved AI features, power efficiency, and faster image processing. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, it's more than capable of handling heavy workloads. If you're looking for top-tier performance, both phones deliver, but the iPhone's custom hardware-software integration often provides a more fluid and optimized user experience, while the Samsung excels in raw power, especially for those who want more customization options. Let's talk cameras, one of the most important factors for many buyers. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a triple camera system with an upgraded 48-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel 120mm telephoto lens 5x optical zoom. The improvements in computational photography are significant, especially in low-lighting portrait modes. Apple's ProRes video support are ideal for content creators and professionals who want the highest quality possible. The Samsung S25 Ultra takes it to another level with its 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and two telephoto lenses, one with 50-megapixel 5x optical zoom and another with 10-megapixel optical zoom. The S25 Ultra is the king of zoom, offering stunning clarity even at high zoom levels. Samsung's nightography feature has also improved, giving you brighter, more detailed night shots. While Apple focuses on natural color reproduction and ease of use, Samsung offers more flexibility and higher zoom capabilities, making it the go-to for mobile photography enthusiasts. Here, if you've made it this far, please like and subscribe. When it comes to battery life, both devices are designed to last all day. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a slightly larger battery than its predecessor and benefits from improved power efficiency with the A18 Pro chip, You're looking at around 28 hours of video playback on a single charge. The Samsung S25 Ultra offers a similarly large battery with a capacity of around 5,000 mAh. With software optimizations and a more power-efficient processor, the S25 Ultra delivers excellent battery life, often slightly ahead in day-to-day use, especially with light or moderate tasks. As for charging, the iPhone supports 30-watt fast charging, while the Samsung supports 45-watt charging. Samsung pulls ahead in this area with faster charging times, but both devices support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for accessories. Finally, let's look at the ecosystems and software experiences. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 18, which comes with several new features like improved widgets, lock screen customizations, and deeper integration with Apple's ecosystem of devices, AirPods, Apple Watches, and Macs. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a seamless extension of your digital life. On the other hand, the Samsung S25 Ultra runs on One UI 7, built on Android 15. Samsung's software offers more customization, letting you tweak the interface to your liking. Plus, Samsung's DeX mode allows for a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor, making the S25 Ultra more versatile for productivity. Apple's iOS is polished, simple, and user-friendly, while Samsung's One UI offers more freedom for those who like to customize and multitask. So which phone is right for you? If you're looking for the best integration with other devices, a seamless software experience, and top-tier photography in a user-friendly package, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is hard to beat. However, if you want more versatility, flexibility, and customization, a superior camera system with unmatched zoom, and faster charging, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might be your perfect choice. Ultimately, both phones are incredible in their own right. It all comes down to what features matter most to you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Please share, like, and subscribe to Tech DFS channel.